Good morning. Welcome to the Morning Shift with Anne. What's up? I hope you are well this morning. Today we're going to talk about the past and how sometimes the past can have a grip on us and it won't let go. It holds us in place. If we find that we cling to our past, we make it our story, and it's the story that defines us. It may be time to really take a good look at what those things are and if they're serving us to move us towards our goals of the future. I think sometimes we just think, oh, that's just the way I am, and we accept it, and then we just continue to do the same thing. No addict ever got off of drugs by saying that. And sometimes we're addicted to our past. So as you think about things and you think about the things that you want for yourself in this current moment, as well as what you want for yourself in the future, don't let your past be the thing that defines that. Don't let the way that you did things over and over again as a young person or in the past, maybe you are a young person. If you want things to change, you can't do things in the exact same way. You need to take a little bit different tack, just move yourself slightly to the left or right and see how that will change your trajectory. As you know, when there's something that's headed towards a certain direction, let's say you were flying a plane on autopilot and you were going from Los Angeles to New York. If you go off just a little bit to the left or to the right, you'll be off course. So if you're off course and you just adjust a little bit towards the aim of your goal, you're going to be that much more likely to hit your target. So don't be afraid to make small changes, because small things make big things happen. So don't let your past hold you down. Take a good look at how you're using your past. Are you using it to create a victim story for yourself, or are you using it to create victory in your future? So my advice would be to just take a good look, see what kind of things you're doing that maybe need a little bit of change, something, or things that from your past that you need to forgive yourself for or forgive others, and they may be holding you back. So be sure and just take a good look at your past. Once you identify it, let it go and move towards the future. Don't let it hold you back. You deserve the very best in life. And one of the best ways I know to head in a different and more positive direction is to let go of the past. It's okay. Just let it go. It doesn't need to hold you back. Just because you were that way then doesn't mean you have to be that way then. Just because you were one way in the past doesn't mean that's how you have to be in the future. You can change at any time, at any age, in anything. So I want to encourage you to just go after what you want. Don't let your past hold you back. Don't let it define you. And go take on the day. I hope you have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow.